Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Students, today we'll start our new lesson, our new topic, time. Students, we know that time is an ongoing sequence of events taking place in past, present and future. The activities we do throughout the day have some specific time and finishes also at some specific time. So today we will learn about the time. The instrument that we use for watching time is a clock. This you have seen in your homes also. So this is a clock. This is called the face of a clock or a dial. It has numbers from 1 to 12. So clock has two hands. One is shorter hand, another is bigger hand. Bigger hand is the minute hand and shorter hand denotes the hour hand. Students, we know that the clock is divided from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 parts. And these one part is divided equally into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal parts. So totally there are 12 fives are 60 equal divisions, small divisions in the clock. These small division shows the minutes. Students, when we know that there is 24 hours in a day. So the clock covers 2 rounds of this. It will start from 12 to 12 and it will take 2 rounds to cover 24 hours. We know that in one day there are 24 hours and in 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Now we will learn how to read the time. When minute hand starts from 12 and again it reaches to 12, then 1 hour is covered. So from 12 to again reach at 12, 1 hour is covered. Now we will talk about how to read the time. When our minute hand moves from 12 to 6, time is read as past. Now if minute hand is at 1, so we will say 5 past 3. It is at 3, our hand is at 3 and if this hand will go to 1, so we'll say 5 past, means 5 minutes हो चुके हैं 3 के ऊपर. 5 divisions are past. If it will come to 2, we will say 10 past 3. If it reaches at 3, we will say quarter past. If it comes at 4, and as there are 5 divisions between each number, so 4 5s are 20, so we will say 20 past. If it reaches at 5, there are 5 divisions between every number, so 5 5s are 25, we will say 25 past, whatever time is there. And if it reaches at 6, so half time is past, so we will say half past. Now if our minute hand is between 6 to 12, we will read as, now if it reaches at 7, then 25 minutes are left to the next hour, so it will be read as 25 to next hour. If our minute hand is at 8, so 25, 10, 15 and 20 minutes are left to the next hour. 20 minutes रहते हैं ना, 2 means रहते हैं अभी. 20 minutes are left to the next hour, so it will be read as 20 to next hour. If it reaches at 9, we will say quarter to, quarter means 15 minutes, quarter, 5, 10, 15 or 15 to next time. If it reaches at 10, we will say 10 to means 10 minutes रहते हैं next hour, 10 to next hour. If it reaches at 11, we will say 5 to next hour. So if minute hand is between 12 to 6, it is read as past. And if it is between 6 to 12, it is read as 2. Now next we will talk about AM and PM. Beta, we know that in one day there are 24 hours, but in our clock we have only 1 to 12 numbers. So our clock will will take 2 rounds of this clock. One when it will cover 112, first 12 hours are completed, then in another round next 12 hours are completed. Now we will talk about AM and PM. Your mother wake up early in the morning, that time is 5 AM, and you go for playing at 5 PM in the evening. So one time occurs one time it suppose it is 5, so this time will occur in the clock 2 times. One is AM, another is PM. AM time is from 12 midnight. We will start from 12 midnight to 12 noon. रात के 12 से दोपहर के 12 बजे तक, that time is called AM time. In the morning time from 12 midnight to 12 noon, when it will clock will struck 12 midnight, that after we will say 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM. That it is the time when you get up and be ready for and getting ready for the school. 7 AM, 8 AM, 9 AM you reach the school, then your school starts 10 AM, 11 AM, and then at 12 noon. From 12 midnight to 12 noon the time is written using the AM. Now after 12 noon to again 12 midnight the time is written using the PM. At after 12 noon you will say 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, in the evening 6 PM, in the evening 7 PM, 8 PM, when you take your dinner, 9 PM, 10 PM, when you go for bed, 11 PM, and then again 12 midnight. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon it is AM, and 12 noon to 12 midnight again it is PM time.